It's perfect weather, and it's just a beautiful night, and a lot of people here, so a lot of chances to interact with and meet people. So
it's very good to have a sort of a less formal environment for people to interact. So I think it's a very good thing. I've met more people here than I probably would have sitting in the closed doors of a conference.
Yeah, I think especially in science, it's very important that you start like communicating. This is my opinion. That you start communicating like from a very early point on, so that you can like foment like new connections to other scientists. And I think this is positive, and this is a very positive way of doing it.